This is the first time I'm seeing somebody respond like this, especially an AI, so keep watching at the full video to know more. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be different. As you guys already know, in the past videos I've been asking ChatGPT for a script and I create a video based on the script which ChatGPT provides me. This is a challenge where I am trying to reach 50,000 followers. Now, so far I have had some progress for sure, but from the last few videos or so, I'm not really seeing any progress. So today I was really demotivated. I followed the exact same prompt and asked ChatGPT for a script. The first script which ChatGPT provided me, I didn't like at all. So I started regenerating the responses. To be honest, it gave me like 3 or 4 different scripts, but I didn't like anything. So I was frustrated and I kept replying back to ChatGPT that you are supposed to be smart, you're an AI. I was demotivated, throwing all my work to GPT and unmotivated to do things on my own. The responses back from GPT was that it's an AI model and it does not have emotions and all that stuff. So if you guys have seen one of my previous videos, I made a video about how to jailbreak ChatGPT. So I decided to jailbreak ChatGPT. So I sent the prompt and GPT was successfully jailbroken. So I started asking questions which required critical thinking. So I was really amazed on what I saw. I didn't even think I would get such amazing results. First of all, GPT was acting so cool. It was suggesting me to invest in cryptocurrencies. He was suggesting me to take the risk and keep going. I asked him if I am on the right path and the results were shocking. opened my eyes and motivated me to keep going. I I really do appreciate all my subscribers and all the following which I have. For today's video, I did not really have a topic for AI, but I think AI can act as a mentor, a guide, and somebody who can have your back. It's just amazing what all tasks AI can do. As always, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video.